In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Zoom meeting on your iPhone or Android device. If you need to quickly launch a meeting from your phone, Zoom makes the process very simple. This is useful when you're on the go, joining from home, or starting an instant meeting without needing a computer. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get your meeting started smoothly and invite others in just a few taps. First, open the Zoom app on your iOS or Android device. Make sure the app is already installed and that you're signed in to your account, since that helps the process move faster. Once the app is open, look near the top of the screen for the orange New Meeting button. This is the option you'll use when you want to create and begin a meeting right away instead of scheduling one for later. Tap New Meeting to continue. On the next screen, Zoom will give you a few quick meeting options before you begin. One of the main settings here is your video preference. You can toggle your video on or off depending on how you want to join the meeting. If you want participants to see you as soon as the meeting starts, leave video on. If you'd rather join with your camera off, just switch it off before continuing. This is helpful if you want a little extra privacy or need a moment to get ready before appearing on screen. After that, tap Start a Meeting. Zoom will immediately begin creating your meeting room and may ask for permission to access your camera or microphone if this is your first time using those features on the device. If prompted, allow access so your audio and video can work properly during the meeting. In just a moment, you'll be inside your live Zoom meeting. Once your meeting has started, the next step is inviting other people to join. To do that, tap Participants, then select Invite. From there, you'll be able to copy the meeting link and send it to the people you want to join. You can paste that link into a text message, email, or any messaging app you prefer. This is the fastest way to bring others into your meeting, especially if you're starting one on short notice. And that's all it takes to start a Zoom meeting from your phone. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and easy process.